In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Temu Credit. First, open the Temu app on your phone or go to the Temu website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account so you can access your account details and any available credit linked to your profile. After logging in, head to the account section. In the app, this is usually called You, and on the website, you'll want to look for orders and account. From there, tap or click Credit Balance to check how much Temu Credit you currently have available. This is a good first step because it helps you know exactly what you can use before you start shopping. If you already have credit in your account, you'll be able to apply it toward eligible purchases during checkout. Next, start shopping for the items you want. Browse through Temu as you normally would and add your selected products to your cart. Take your time here and make sure everything in your cart is what you want to purchase. Once you're ready to move forward, tap or click Checkout. At the checkout page, Temu Credit is typically applied automatically to eligible orders. That means if you have available credit in your balance, the system should use it without you needing to do much manually. Still, it's always a smart idea to review the payment section carefully so you can confirm that the credit has been applied the way you want. If you don't want to use all of your available credit on that order, you may be able to adjust the amount before completing your purchase. This can be helpful if you want to save some credit for a future order instead of using it all at once. Just check the payment or credit section during checkout and make any changes if that option is available. Finally, complete your payment. If your Temu Credit covers the full cost of the order, then you won't need to add another payment method for that purchase. On the other hand, if your credit only covers part of the total, you'll simply pay the remaining balance using your preferred payment method, such as a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. And that's it. The key is to first check your credit balance, then shop as usual, review how the credit is applied at checkout, and finish the payment based on any remaining amount. Following these steps makes it easy to use your Temu Credit smoothly and confidently.